Hello gorgeous, it's Jen. Welcome back to my channel. I am so excited to talk to you today about a fun eyeshadow palette that I found out about from Laura Lee, who is another lovely lady here on YouTube. I saw her talking about it, I had to try it, and I just want to continue sharing the fabulousness of this product. So what it is a 60 color eyeshadow palette from a company called BestLand. It looks like this. It is called the Meet Your Match Color Board Beauty Glazed Eye Tray. So check this out. It opens up and look at these beautiful greens. Can you guess what we're going to play with today? We've got greens. Check it out. Now we've got oranges, yellows, reds. Now we've got some beautiful blues and neutral colors. And now we've got some gorgeous purples and pinks. So amazing. It just slides, and the best part of all is it's less than $17. It is currently $16.88 on Amazon, which of course I will have it linked below in the description box. So I have some looks to share with you. I have done a look with the pinks and purples. I have done a look with the blues, which I'm just obsessed with blues these days. And then I did a hot orange red kind of look as well. So obviously I'm posting all of these pictures up here, but today I thought we would play with the greens. Fun, fun, fun. The blues are what have wowed me the most so far, but I'm looking forward to these greens. What shades will we play with today? Oh my goodness. I am going to start with a transition, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to use this shade right here as my transition shade. Going in with my Profusion ES2. I mean, creamy. This is my first experience with the greens, but wow, that's fabulous. Very nice. There is a little bit of kick up in the pan, but I'm not experiencing fallout, at least as of yet. We're just going swirl in that outer, and then windshield wiper motions. Little circles back and forth. If we wanted to lighten that a little bit, you could go into this creamy shade up here that is matte. And we'll just go right along the edges. This is a Sigma E27, very similar to that Profusion. And we're just blending out, just softening up those edges. I mean, you could easily just take that cream, go in here, just to give yourself a little bit of dimension, and be done. But of course, we're not going to stop there. You could go here, you could go underneath. Let's switch it up and go into one of the shimmers. I think I'm going to go into this shimmer on the bottom. I'm going to go into my smaller Profusion brush for that. That is the ES6. And this one has a little bit of shimmer. Just going to build that up on the bottom lash line. Fun, fun, fun. Okay, now the tough part. What do we do for the shimmer? We can go with a bright gold, we can go with the greens, we can throw a little yellow on there. I think I want this. I want this color right here. Look how beautiful that is. Of course, I did prime my lids. I think I forgot to mention that. I just threw a little bit of my Revlon Photo Focus Concealer and my Rimmel Stay Matte powder to set it. But this is sticking right to my lid. I don't see any fallout. I mean, these are great. I'm gonna go in on the other side. Have a tacky consistency to them, which is good. That means they're going to stay attached to the eyelid and not go all over your face. I'm going to build this up just a little bit. Just to get an even more intense pop of shimmer. I mean, these are giving my Hip Dot glitters, which are my current favorite, a run for their money. Now, if we wanted to, we could take a little bit of this champagne and put it right on the center. It does not want to come off of my finger. Now I'm going to throw a little bit of this champagne color right on the center. That is beautiful. We could leave it just like this, or we could take one of the deeper shades here and darken up that edge. I mean, truly, you could go anywhere you want in the palette, but I tend to just be sticking to those specific areas. But if you want to see more looks, let me know. I'd be happy to pick colors from different boards. So I think this color right here is the one I want to go into, just to deepen up that outer edge. One more time with my larger perfusion and that original crease shade, which is right here, just to strengthen that crease. And I'm going in with the lightest hand just to make sure we use all that space. I'm going to throw on some liner and lashes, and I'll be right back. I am back. I have liner and lashes on. I will have everything that is on my face linked in the description box below, including this fabulous eyeshadow palette. So I am officially in love. I have used every board in here and would love to do more looks. Or if you want to see me do a look that I posted a picture of, let me know. If you want me to mix the different colors, let me know. I am so not done playing with this palette, especially for the price and the amazing glitter shades. So big win. Super pleased with this. Highly recommend. And If you are new to my channel, please subscribe before you leave. Hit that subscribe button. Give the video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Leave me a comment. Let me know you were here. Let me know if you would like to see any other looks with this fabulous palette. And I will see you in my next video.